Hey guys, it's Malaika and we're back with another video. Today we're installing her lace. It was an impromptu video. I was gonna add a part of my college vlog, college series, but just tune into that anyways. But we're gonna get straight to it, take it from the beginning to the end. And yeah. Nobody can see anything. What's up guys? But yeah. So the set of things that you need spray, something to melt the wig. This is Dola hair or whatever. It's not worth that much of the hype, but it's still good. A hot comb. You need a dark foundation that's darker than you, and this is what she had, and this worked perfect.
What is it called?
Contour. Yeah, your contour is perfect. I use my contour always, and it's perfect. Did I just get it on me? No, and it's perfect. Makeup brush to tint the lace. Now the hot comb was hot. Oh, wow. And if you have gel, it's perfect. If you have hairs at the front, my hairline, I really don't care about it that much because I'm just gonna grow back anyways. But yeah, that's also a pro tip. And scissors, your lace. Let's continue the video. Watching the video, she'll show you where you got the hair from. But yeah, and go subscribe to her channel,
Dora Bridget.
Period. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm coloring the lace. It kind of looks kind of funky right now. You just need to brush it out with the makeup brush. But as the glue is drying on your head, then you should let it dry and then do the prep pink and everything else. And see, the glue dries clear, and when it's all clear,
then it's ready.
Then it's then it's ready. So another pro tip is put wax on your lace. Not pro tip, step. Put wax on your lace, and then it just brings everything on the lace on the front. Yeah, it was like at the very beginning. Well, the whole thing's lace basically, but and it lays it down. No flyaways, and the hair doesn't just go anywhere. Yeah, and then so it should be fine right now, hopefully. And synthetic wigs don't put too much heat just so it doesn't die. It doesn't lose its flavor. And also inside of here, it has a little adjustable strap if you ever want to adjust it. Okay. Go all the way forward. Don't let it touch your head yet. Just move forward. Okay, now come here. There you go. Okay, I'll put this over here. So now the glue should be where this is.
Oh, okay.
So it stays
on the hairline.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you get your thing, you press it in so that it stays on. And this is where you need a melting spray so that it sprays down. Do you have Got2b or anything?
I have a Got2b glue.
We can try it. And then you also need to cut off the excess lace. So to your head. So you see where her ear is? Right here is where you're gonna cut off the excess lace. And then this is just supposed to lay down and you cut all this off. Don't be afraid to lose a little hair. Wait, I could have just made this all into one video. Anyways, yeah. Actually, let's just see if we can make this to one video. So then you put this together, put this down, and you get whatever color you have. Now, where's the brush go? Right here. You add this to it, press into it, and you're just gonna color. But we'll cut that here, that just makes sure it blends in. And see, it's already giving scalp. You can barely even see it. Yep. If you had a tweezer, it would have been better to give it more of that scalp effect. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And on while we're waiting for the hair.
Okay.
Dry, and then oh wait, no, we need to cut this here too.
Oh yeah.
Last time I was H&M, I actually bought stuff. I'm like, why is the last time I don't want to buy the lace being on, and then we're gonna cut off this excess lace for now, so that if any portion is lifting, then we can add the glue there. But just start in the middle, cut the lace off on the sides, and then you can follow the line. Right now, you don't need to cut in the line, but usually you just cut in a jagged line so that it looks like an actual hairline. And then this, pull it forward. If it's your first time or you're new to do your wigs, I suggest getting a synthetic wig because it doesn't take too much and you'll learn. But synthetic wigs don't last too long. That's the only thing, because that's where I started from. But human hair wigs are good. It just takes a lot of time.
And they're expensive.
And yeah, they're expensive. So if you want to find a decent, she's actually got this off of TikTok shop.
I got it on TikTok shop. It's a Letitia wig.
I know, I've seen this one. I want to get the one in color though. I want to get the one in like
this
a red.
is a dark brown, but it looks black.
No, it looks dark brown.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe just black in my eyes. But
yeah.
But yeah, it's not bad. It's cute, whatever.
I think
we'll see how long it lasts.
Yeah, my only ick with synthetic wigs is I have to wait till like winter time when it's cold, or wigs in general. Because if it's hot outside, and I take off my wig.
That's why I'm not gonna have this on for too long. Just beginning of school, and then I'm gonna start doing my braids.
Yeah.
Put it back in the winter.
Yeah. I take off my wigs at night, guys. Don't tell anybody. Okay, so I think it's fine now. So now we can take this off. You can even put on your neck for now. But she has an option if she wants baby hairs, have baby hairs. If not, then basically, you see, but you bring your head closer so they can see. You see, this is what it means to have a melt. You can barely see that this is not her thing. You see that?
Oh, my hairline. Okay.
Period. So we're gonna fix it, and we'll be back. Oh, what time is it? It's 1:32, and I'm here just walking around. Okay, so basically, as you continue, so now we're at the part of cutting the lace. So now that we're gonna cut the lace, we're gonna, you see this part, and you see some parts are still wiggly. So that's where you bring more of your gel, you add some more in, and you add, and sometimes the lace placement in the beginning is not the most perfect, so you just leave it there, and now you just leave it to be open. Okay. It shouldn't touch it yet, but it should just be flapping there. So we're gonna cut off the other pieces, other parts. So bring your head forward more. And we're just gonna cut this in a jagged line. It doesn't have to be straight. Bring up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then you can see that the lace is looking nice. Leave some excess lace a little bit, so it looks like it's coming from my hairline. It's not just coming from a random place. Sorry. And then, oh my goodness, I have a content to post now. I'm not gonna post till like another week. Okay, there you go. See, this is what the lace looks like. You can't tell, scalp wear. Okay, and then, let's see, so I'll turn to the next side. So if we have to look for anywhere that's lifting, this side seems far, oh, what the heck? So right here, it's lifting. So you need to put the glue in there. I'm sorry, that came on your cheek.
It's okay.
Okay, so now you just apply some more glue. Oh, that's a little too much glue. You could spread that out all the way to the bottom. And then here, and it shouldn't be on until it dries. This should dry. I think maybe the lace dried too fast, so it didn't stay fully, but I'm gonna bring this back. Don't use this like I did. That was very stupid, but all the way back, all the way back, all the way back. There you go. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, there you go. So now we're just gonna leave it. Like, see, this side is the difference. This side is drying, and this side hasn't dried yet. So we're gonna let this side dry a little bit more before you fully put it down and put the lace back on again. And then this part is done. So we can roll this over, and we can cut the front of this lace. So that's a little bit too much lace, but we're gonna. Okay. So the lace doesn't have to be too straight. This is too straight for me, so we're gonna go in and jagged line a little bit. Okay, there you go. Now, you want to add some more color to this because one, the darker it is, the darker the foundation, the more the lace melts, because you don't want it to be exactly on you because the lace already itself is light. So it should be dark and it should blend in. And then, yes, there you go. Wait, no, but it should not be too patchy. So yeah, you want to tap on your hands here. There you go. And now look, it's getting darker. Dry. You don't want to put makeup when the glue is on, because if you put makeup when the glue is on, I think it messes with its consistency. I don't know. So that's why I learned from mistakes.
It makes it chunky or something.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
So but pull this forward so that as it's drying, it doesn't dry back, but it dries forward. Okay, now turn your head. And we're gonna slowly cut the lace as this is drying. Oh, this dried quick. Okay. And if you put it on while it's drying white, you're gonna suffer because you're gonna have clunks, and you don't want clunks. Digest. I think that's the word. Okay. Okay, so now as you're doing this, this is when you can fix the hair as you please. You can turn your hot comb on and start styling the wig a little bit more so that you're killing two birds with one stone. And then make sure you too remove the glue that was on side of on your wig.
Is that the middle part?
Yeah, I think it is.
It's just a little messy. It's okay.
So yeah, that's another key. Plucking is a secret key to having a nice laid wig. Because plucking will save you a lot of time, energy, makes it more natural. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this and put this down her part. It was a little too much, so I'm gonna bring this here and just wipe it in there. Oh, so you guys can see, just put this in there. And some days also, when I take off my wig, I find I have makeup in my hair, and I'm like, oh, this is exactly why, because I'm trying to define my part with some makeup. And you see some videos of people spraying black over it, but it's okay, you don't need to spray black over it right now if you're putting this here. And then you're gonna put this here. So the hair can lay down, and you put this here, so the hair could be up and down. Okay. So you go like this, and you hot comb it. And the key is to use this part, because this part's the hottest. So use this part. And there you go. Use this part. It's all the crumbs and nicks and crannies. And then you bring this part forward. And then this lump is so cute. I like always like things right there. And then you have to go up and twist it up and then bring it like that out. And then bring the lump. So now, and then I'm gonna make sure they're both even to the same point. Okay, now we're done with that part. So now we're gonna take off the lace band. And then we're gonna spray and the spray. Okay, so now we're gonna cut this off. Go ahead and make up that part. And I was like, the girl was like, does your breath stink? And I was like, that's what I think. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this. And you're gonna put this all around the lace. So this should be darker. You see? You want to do this now? Okay, so do this here.
Also, guys, this wig is only like $45 on TikTok.
Period.
So yeah, go get it.
If it goes viral, then definitely. Okay, there you go. Beautiful.
Yes.
So now
You didn't see
it's
that?
dark.
No,
It's melted. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray whatever spray you have all over, and you're gonna press it in.
It's cold.
Spray whatever spray.
Melting spray.
So now we're gonna quickly get her edges out, so that as this is gonna dry, and some of these wigs already come with edges. Like I can already see that this one already has a little bit of edges to it. So you just go like this. Okay, do this. And get your, you cut it, you're gonna cut it sideways, and then you can curl it. You can do whatever you want to, but I just use this, which is this, and put it on. Okay, and then okay, I'm using pressing tool, but it's doing it. Okay, let's use like that, and then flip it down.
It went from here to here. I went to school those edges. And I asked my white friends, oh, does it look good? They said, yeah. Why did they lie in my face like that, bro? I was like, you guys are liars.
Okay, I'm gonna put this down and spray this down again. So she's gonna go out after I leave and get edge spray, and not edge spray, lace spray, and then she'll be fine. So, and some of your natural hair, you know, so you have to push this all back.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I have 1 minute. Okay, 30 seconds actually. So now like that. There you go. There you go. So now it's cute and it's ready. And I have to head out, but here's all
Thank you so much.
No problem. And that's the end of this video. When she takes it off, it'll be voila, miracle, amazing. Subscribe to our channel, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next video. Peace out. Bye guys.
Bye, guys. Gang, guys. Anyways, bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my like a bee and subscribe to Dora.